Have you ever felt that the zest for life you had in your younger years is still within you, just waiting to be reignited? I'm Dr. Mike Hussey, a physician with decades of experience guiding older adults to reclaim their energy, confidence, and joy. Today, I'm revealing a simple, science-backed trick using an ingredient likely sitting in your pantry that can enhance circulation, boost your energy, and even rekindle intimacy after 60. Before we dive in, share in the comments, where are you tuning in from, your city or country? In the next 8 minutes, I'll guide you on how to safely harness this power to rediscover your vibrant, passionate self. Ready to reignite that spark? Let's begin. Chapter 1, The Silent Drain of Aging. Aging isn't just about crow's feet or silver hair. It's about what's happening inside your body. Poor blood flow is a hidden culprit, sapping your warmth, energy, and sense of connection. As we age, our blood vessels lose flexibility, and the tiny arteries that fuel your vitality, keeping your hands warm, your mind clear, and your relationships close, begin to narrow. I've worked with patients like Margaret, 67, who said, "Dr. Mike, I feel like I'm just going through the motions. Cold extremities, low energy, and a sense of disconnection are far more common than you might realize." But here's the good news. This isn't the end. Your body is primed to heal, and I'm here to show you how. Pause for a moment. Have you noticed colder hands or a dip in energy lately? Drop a 1 in the comments if this feels familiar. Your story is important, and I'd love to hear it. Chapter 2, Why Blood Flow is Your Lifeline. Circulation is more than just your heart beating. It's the cornerstone of your vitality. When blood flow slows, it's like turning down the brightness on your life. Your energy wanes, your mood flattens, and intimacy can feel out of reach. Scientifically, this happens because the endothelium, the inner lining of your blood vessels, produces less nitric oxide as we age. Without enough nitric oxide, your blood vessels can't relax, starving your body of oxygen and nutrients. This impacts everything: your warmth, your memory, even your closeness with loved ones. If ignored, it can increase risks for heart issues or stroke. But there's hope. With the right approach, your body can rebound, restoring that sense of aliveness. Chapter 3, The Unexpected Power of Baking Soda. Now let's talk about the star of this journey, baking soda. Yes, that simple box in your kitchen can be a game changer for circulation when used properly. As we age, stress, diet, and declining kidney function can make our bodies more acidic, which tightens blood vessels and restricts oxygen flow. A carefully measured dose of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, can help neutralize this acidity, allowing blood to flow more freely. I had a patient, Robert, 72, who felt his spark had faded. After starting a safe baking soda routine, he shared, "Dr. Mike, I feel alive again, more engaged, and my partner noticed the difference." This isn't a miracle. It's science giving your body the support it needs to thrive. Have you ever tried a simple health trick like this? Share your experience in the comments. I'm reading every one. Chapter 4, The Dangers of Misusing Baking Soda. Before you head to your pantry, a word of caution. Baking soda isn't something to use carelessly. I once treated a patient, Ellen, 70, who overdid it after seeing online advice. She experienced bloating and a blood pressure spike because baking soda affects your body's pH, sodium, and fluid balance. For older adults, especially those on medications for blood pressure or kidney issues, this balance is critical. Too much can stress your heart or kidneys, but don't let this scare you. The risks are manageable with care and precision, respecting your body's unique needs. Chapter 5, How to Use Baking Soda Safely. Here's how to do it right for most healthy adults over 60. Start with just 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a full glass of water, taken first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Not after meals, not at night, just once daily. Pair it with consistent hydration. Drink water throughout the day to support healthy blood flow. If you're on medications, particularly for blood pressure or kidneys, consult your doctor first. This small step is like a gentle nudge, reminding your body it's still full of life. Quick question, what's one small health habit you've tried to boost your vitality? Share it in the comments to inspire others. Let me tell you about Clara, 73, who thought her vibrant days were behind her. After starting a gentle baking soda routine paired with hydration and patience, she transformed. A few weeks later, she walked into my office beaming, saying, "Dr. Mike, I'm laughing with my grandkids and holding my husband's hand like we're newlyweds again." Here's my promise. Poor circulation may have dimmed your spark, but one small change can reignite it. Start today. Take that glass of water, add a pinch of hope, and awaken the vibrant, connected you still inside. Your story isn't over. There's so much life to live. If this resonated, drop a 1 in the comments and share your journey. Let's lift each other up. Hit subscribe and the bell to keep growing together. To your health, your joy, and the freedom to live fully, cheers.